Ho, 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 ho. Not white beard, black beard. Season's greetings to everyone. To all my loyal viewers, my loyal supporters, the ones that will watch. I'm not saying nothing, don't worry, still as soon.
I love when you see him.
It has been quite a challenging year for some. It has been a difficult year for some, an accomplished year for some. Some persons have set goals and are still working to achieve them, while some have achieved them. I just want to say big up to everybody. I know we're still in the middle of the pandemic, so with COVID-19 and with the new variant out there, how much worse can it get? But guess what? Give thanks. We're nearing the ending of 2021, and 2022 is just a year we should use to take advantage of all the opportunities presented to us. I can say it has been a great year in the kitchen and in my personal life. Otherwise, I am grateful and I am thankful for all those who have given me the support, who have been giving me the support, and who are still giving me the support in the kitchen. I can say it has been a great experience. I thank you all. I'm looking forward to sharing more videos with new recipe ideas with you all. Once again, coming from Dean's Kitchen, from the author himself, kitchen boss, my camera lady Annie, and my newest addition to the kitchen crew, Rashida. Season's greetings to you all, and a prosperous new year when it comes. Stay safe, keep cooking, yeah man.